Charlie! You don't understand. Heaven never listens. They didn't listen to me. They won't listen to you.
You don't know that!
I do. You didn't know that when I tried this all before. My dreams were too hard to defend. And in the end, I won't lose it all again. Now you're the only thing worth fighting for, more than anything, more than anything. I'll shelter and adore you more than anything.
Dad, I don't need you to protect me from this.
I just don't want you to be crushed by them like I was.
Dad, when I was young, I didn't really know you at all. I always felt so small, but I heard your stories and I was enthralled. The tales about your lofty dreams, I listened breathlessly, imagining it could be me. So in the end, it's the view I had of you that show me dreams can be worth fighting for. More than anything, more than anything, I need to save my people more than anything.
I've been dying.
I've been waiting, wanting the same thing.
Looks like the apple does.
You a while,
I've missed that smile. All that I'm hoping, now that my eyes are open, is that we can start again, not be pulled apart again. 'Cause in the end, you are part of who I am. I'll support your dream, whatever lies in store.
and who could ask for
More than anything, more than anything, I'm grateful you're my daughter. More than anything, more than anything.
For the second month. For the second month. For the second month. For the second month.